Just like in the sewing area, you have to select the foot you'll be using in the embroidery area of the Bernina 790. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Let's just pick a random design and bring it on to the screen. So anytime that there's something you need to do or that has been changed, it's either yellow or you have a red exclamation point next to the symbol. So here we were just doing some sewing. I have the 1C foot selected. So I need to actually tell the machine that I'll be using the foot number 26 embroidery foot. Now it always tells you which one you were probably using with the yellow star. So if you touch that, it will automatically select, and look, that red exclamation point has disappeared. So if you don't change that up, the machine will catch you before you embroider to have you change that. So if you can just get in the habit, as soon as you get to the embroidery side, select the correct foot, and then everything is set up correctly. We do have the straight stitch throat plate on, which I've already gone in here and told the machine that I will be using that. Then I've also got the feed dogs lowered, so that does indicate that the machine recognizes that those are down, and I'm truly set up for embroidering my next design.